Remove the outer panel screws, and then remove the panels. Remove the plastic bags and shrink wrap from the modules. Accessories are located in the boxes. Remove the bolts securing the press to the pallet. A panel will need to be removed and doors will need to be opened to access the bolts. Where locking nuts are used, wrenches will need to be used on both ends of the bolt. Using a forklift, carefully remove the press module from the pallet. On the unwind module, install the adjustable feet when the unit is lifted off the pallet before lowering the unit from the forklift. Connect the two modules together. Align the posts on the cylinder module with the slots on the unwinder module. Secure the two modules together with the 4 bolts, 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom. Once tightened, lower the adjustable feet. The press should be resting on the feet, not the casters. Raise or lower the feet until the unit is level. Check for level, left to right and front to back. All feet must be touching the floor. A long level, 2 feet or longer, needs to be used. Remove this panel by removing the screws. Feed the cable from the cylinder module to the unwinder module. Connect the wire to the circuit board. Feed the wire into the wire harness. Feed the cables from the unwinder module through the openings to the cylinder module. Connect the 2 power cables. Connect the wires to the control board. Each cable is labeled. Connect to the appropriate connection on the control board. There is a short cable connected to the small circuit board that is used for maintenance and is not connected to the controller board. Install the laminate silencer module using the 3 bolts. Install the matrix waste compactor using the 2 bolts. Rotate the touch panel monitor to the desired location. Use the bolt to secure it in place. Install the printer on the base plate. Align the holes on the plate with the rubber feet on the printer. Finally, connect the power and GPIO cables to the back of the printer. Connect the AC power cable to the receptacle located on the back of the press.